Ready for another fun boxing? All right, imagine you're at this wild, intergalactic tech carnival where every smartphone is showing off its best tricks. They're all juggling features and doing backflips with their specs, trying to catch your eye. But then, in struts, the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and it doesn't just join the circus. It's the ringmaster of this whole cosmic show. It's got its own spaceship parked outside, and the line to get on board is longer than a tailgate party for a rocket launch. So what's the big deal with the Pixel 9 Pro XL? Well, first off, it's packing Google Gemini, which is like a super intelligent alien who decided to crash at your place because Earth is just too fascinating to pass up. Gemini isn't just about helping out, it's about making sure your life feels like the coolest sci-fi adventure, but with the added bonus of awesome snacks. Want to send a message? Done before you can blink. Looking for the perfect pizza place? Gemini's already got the order in, extra cheese included. It's like your personal sidekick, but smarter and always one step ahead. And then there's the camera, which isn't just a camera. It's like having a wizard trapped inside your phone. While other phones are out there taking decent photos, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is busy capturing the very essence of whatever you're pointing it at. That sunset, it's not just a pretty picture. It's like the sun dipped its rays in magic just for you. Your pet sleeping on the couch? Boom, it's suddenly a masterpiece worthy of a gallery. The design of the Pixel 9 Pro XL, it doesn't just sit in your hand, it hovers there like a piece of alien technology that somehow found its way to Earth early. It's sleek, it's shiny, and it feels like you're holding a piece of tomorrow. And the color selection? They look like they've been dusted with stardust from a nebula that only Google knows about. Battery life? Forget about it. While other phones are begging for a break halfway through the day, the Pixel 9 Pro XL's battery is like a caffeine-powered hamster, endlessly energetic and ready for more. It just keeps going and going, like it's fueled by the same stuff that powers jet engines. Maybe it is, and that wasn't listed in the spec sheet. Users love the Pixel series because it's always been more than just a phone. It's like having a tech-savvy best friend who's always down for a good time and never lets you down. It's a software story, and the hardware is continuing to come into its own. This isn't not just a gadget. It's a whole vibe, a cosmic dance partner, a digital sidekick with flair. Where other smartphones are just tools, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is a ticket to a world that's a little wilder, a little weirder, and a whole lot more fun. Or, certainly, a whole lot more screen.